Alright guys, I'm out here with the Spark and I'm running on Wi-Fi. Let me check the map so it knows where I'm at here. Okay, so we're going to record some video. So let's record some video here. Got some lag going on there. Well, let's just take off and see what happens.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Let me check something out here. Hold on a minute. Do I got that filter on? No, I don't. Okay, I thought I had the filter on, but I guess I don't. Like the picture looks real fuzzy to me. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Who knows? Oh, maybe the lens is dirty or something. Who knows? Boys, that got a lot of lag in there. I don't know what the hell's going on with this thing. I've never had this much lag with the Spark before. I don't understand what is going on with this thing, to be honest with you. I'm just going to bring it down and restart it. I don't know. Maybe I won't. Who knows? It's just, I've never seen lag like this before with this thing. It's just kind of strange, you know. Let me take it out here. Hold on, let me put it into sport mode. See all that lag, man, it's just, it's worrisome when that happens because you might lose the bind or something, you know, and I don't want to do that. Well, I guess it's just not meant to be today with a spark. I gotta tune this thing up. Recalibrate everything. Clean that lens off, because that sure as hell looks awfully foggy to me. I wonder if I touch that thing with my finger. I don't know. Who knows? All right, guys.
Landing.
There's the Sparky for today. It's not happening. All right, guys. Have a nice day.